1 year ago, the Lagos Blue Line Rail opened its doors, promising a new era of transportation for one of Africa's most vibrant cities, Lagos. A year later, how has it fared? Has it lived up to expectations? In this video, we will delve into the operations, routes, schedules, maintenance, and impact of the Lagos Blue Line Rail on the economic landscape of Lagos, my observations, has it eased traffic congestion, and what changes have commuters experienced over the last 12 months. Join us as we explore the first year of the Lagos Blue Line Rail, a journey of change, growth, and the future of urban transportation in Lagos. Like, comment, subscribe, and share the video. The Lagos State government announced on Wednesday, August 30th, 2023, that the Blue Line Rail would commence commercial operations on Monday, September 4th, 2023. Initially, the Lagos Metropolitan Area Transport Authority, LAMATA, which manages operations, started with 12 trips per day for the first 2 weeks. After this period, the number of daily trips increased to 54. On Monday, August 12, 2024, the Lagos Rail Mass Transit (LRMT) Blue Line further scaled up its operations, increasing the number of trips from 54 to 72 per day. Currently, as at the time of this report, the operational hours of the Lagos Blue Line Rail are from 6:30 a.m. to 9 p.m. The current train route runs from Marina to Mile 2. However, the full route, which is planned to extend from Mile 2 to Okokomaiko and eventually to Agbara in neighboring Ogun State, it is still under construction as part of the Phase 2 of the Lagos Blue Line Rail project. The Lagos Blue Line Rail has transported over 1 million passengers, reducing traffic congestion on the roads and providing Lagosians with more transportation options.
What's your name?
Ikeja.
How has your experience been using the Lagos Blue Line Rail for the past 1 year?
Okay, so I would say smooth.
Smooth, okay.
Yeah, because no one wants to be stuck in traffic, do you get? And the train gives the opportunity to go to where you're going to within like 25-30 minutes, and it's just smooth. That was just what I would say. Yeah.
Okay. What do you think can be done better to improve your experience or other commuters' experience using the Lagos Blue Line Rail?
I would say making 2 trains run simultaneously, because most times there are rush hours where people stand on the train. You get, it's not enough to accommodate the capacity of people that want to be on that train. So I think government should look at how 2 trains can go simultaneously, or I don't know, try to make the train longer or something. Okay. But yeah, I think that just has to be it.
Nicholas,
how has your experience been like using the Lagos Blue Rail Line for the past 1 year?
It's been good. So far, it's been good. I'm just hoping they continue. Although I think the issues they're having with the station itself. But so far, the train ride has been good. But I think the government can do more regards the rates. You understand? I think that would be favorable for everybody. But the experience has been good. It's swift. There's no issue, no hassles, nothing. So yeah.
Okay, that leads me to my next question. What do you think they can do better in terms of improvement or improving your experience and other commuters' experience using a train?
Basically, they should just look at the rates. I think they should look at the rates. They should make the rates more, it's the government. It's not just like a privately owned thing. They should look into those rates, giving slashes, discounts and all that. I think that should be that.
Just the rates?
Yeah, just the rates. And look into the maintenance, key maintenance. You can see now the escalators. You can see some places are leaking and all those things. They should look into that. You understand? Proper checks. The Chinese people are still around. Nigerians haven't taken over, and we're already experiencing this kind of thing. So what happens when we take over fully?
My name is Belaon, and my YouTube channel is I Am Belaon. Okay, good. So how has your experience been using the Lagos Blue Line Rail for the past 1 year?
Man, the experience has been okay because I'm a regular commuter on it, because I'm one of the advocates. So I'm a regular commuter on it.
Check out his channel.
So I think it's okay. A lot of things are still very, very much in place. I remember when this thing first started, and on my channel I was seeing comments, just give this thing 6 months, give it 3 months, give it. this is 1 year, bro, and it's still standing strong, even stronger than it was initially, which I'll give LAMATA that effort for, that they are doing a great job on it. So my experience has been great, and I'm sure a lot of people even prefer using it than other modes of transport.
What do you think can be improved on to make your experience better?
I think what a lot of people are just clamoring for, from my own interaction with commuter, is just them extending from my 2 to Okokomaiko, and for other routes as well to link up with a rail system, most especially the red line. A lot of people have been clamoring for it as well. People in other areas want to have this experience. It shouldn't be only this route alone. Lagos is too big for a road to just be on only this just 13 kilometers. We needs to cover more kilometers of railroad in Lagos. That's just what I'm expecting LAMATA to improve on.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
So guys, make sure you check this channel.
Thank you very much. You can check out my channel. I am Gola.
Esther, aka Best Boo.
Okay. Okay, now to the question. How would you rate your experience using the Lagos Blue Line Rail for the past 1 year? How would you rate your experience?
Wow, it's just wow, awesome. Like, I never believed that this kind of thing still exists here in Lagos. Like, in fact, it's awesome. I love it.
Love it.
And I love to be using it. In fact, I don't want to enter any other transport.
You don't tell the boss again.
I don't want to. In fact, it's just accommodating. Like, I love it. That's it.
What do you think can be done better?
Just to increase it. They should just increase it. If in fact everything is okay. Like, it's faster. In fact, they are even keeping to time. That is what amazed me. Like, they are keeping to time. They tell you that it's 18 minutes. In 18 minutes time, another train will arrive. In 15 minutes, the train have already arrived. In fact, they should just increase it so that others will still be joining. Because like in the evening, there's always rush.
Rush hour.
Yeah, there's always rush. So maybe they should just increase the train so that
Increase the number of trains.
yeah, because towards the evening time, some persons always stand.
Yeah, I'm Pastor Isaac. How would you rate your experience for the past 1 year using the Blue Line Rail?
Yeah, it's very, very good. Because all the customers, all these Igbo guys that do business, in fact, if you come here around 7 o'clock, you think here is a war place. The way they run the train very fast.
Wow.
80 minutes from here to my 2. Can you see now? Before another 80 minutes again, arrival of the train. Even though we that were driving the shuttle, we will be running like as if maybe there is something that is pursuing us. So
Because of the commuters.
yes, in fact, if you see, it's very, very good. And even though then the workers in the morning, you see, anytime on that time 6:44, first train has arrived. So it's very, very good. If Lagos State can still do more, it will help people. Because in the issue of this transport, it's not even, the stress. Entering all this and downfall, all these things is stress. So by the time you come from the train, you see, you feel okay. You see, if you even see the way they do exercise, they are running. Some people early in the morning now, the way they even run, it's like exercise.
Okay. That leads me to my second question.
Okay.
What do you think can be done to make the commuters' experience better?
Can you see?
On the train or maintenance?
What really happened is the issue of that price.
The price.
Yes. So the issue of that price, they are doing something on it now. So I believe Lagos State is doing something as a LAMATA, because I work with LAMATA.
Okay.
And one of the drivers, so they are doing something. I think from 10 till 4, they without 550. So early in the morning, I think they take the normal price that they are taking. So with that price, if it come down, more people will still come in, and it will be very easy for everybody.
Wow. Just the price alone.
Yeah, the price. Then without standing, you see that standing that someone. So I think with that, before it starts 30 minutes. So if you come to up where the garage is at up now, you see the way people crowd. But now people are no more standing again. I think the thing is relieved now. It's relieved now. So, but if they can still bring more trains, yeah, they can still bring more and extend the road. So it will be very easy. Like
Okay, extend the station.
yes, the station like this kind of Ikorodu and Co. just like Ikorodu now, those ones that are taking bus, someone around 10, 11, they are still on the way with the hold up. So if they can still bring more in and the shuttle more in, it will be very easy and it will be, people will be relieved.
So for you, bringing more trains and bringing more shuttles will ease the traffic and the rest. Right?
Yes.
As we go along this trip, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share the video. My observations. Shout out to the Lagos Metropolitan Area Transport Authority, LAMATA, for the incredible work they have done over the past year. Despite criticism and doubts about their abilities to maintain the rail line, LAMATA has made impressive strides in sustaining the Lagos Blue Line rail system. The interior and exterior of the trains are well maintained, with functioning air conditioning, clean carriages and well-kept stations. More shops are opening in the stations, and the escalators and tracks are also being well taken care of. Additionally, ads are now displayed on the exterior of the trains as well as in various stations. Security has improved, with security personnel present on the trains as they move around the city. However, there is a strict policy regarding the use of cameras and recording devices in both the trains and the stations. This has been a concern for some commuters, myself included, as I was also asked to stop recording inside the train and at the station. With the increase in the number of trips, I feel that more seats should be provided for commuters while they wait for their trains. Furthermore, the installation of vending machines in the stations that are not yet operational seems unnecessary at this point. Like, comment, subscribe, and share the video. Overall, LAMATA has done an exceptional job in maintaining the Lagos Blue Line Rail over the past year. Many citizens initially doubted the train's ability to last and be well maintained, like I said earlier, but LAMATA has proven them wrong. With phase 2 of the Lagos Blue Line Rail project still under construction and anticipation growing for the commercial operation of the Lagos Red Line Rail, there is so much to look forward to. The Red Line, which stretches over a distance of 27 kilometers and includes 8 stations from Agbado in Ogun State to Lagos State, with stops at Iju, Agege, Ikeja, Oshodi, Mushin, Yaba, and ending in Oyingbo, promises to bring significant benefits. Once fully operational, both the Lagos Blue and Red Line rails will stimulate growth, development, and job creation. They are expected to promote the use of public transportation, boost businesses and tourism, and improve road traffic safety. Like, comment, subscribe, and share the video. Thank you for watching. Let us know your experience on the Lagos Blue Line Rail or your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, you'll enjoy this one too. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And as always, stay connected and stay inspired. See you on the next one.